Day after Nitish Kumar made sweeping jibes at Narendra Modi, the BJP has launched a counter-attack at the ally JDU. Backing its chief minister, the BJP slammed the Bihar chief minister for targeting Narendra Modi. But with the rift within the NDA surfacing and JDU reiterating the deadline over PM candidate, the onus will now be on the BJP to do the balancing act.
Perhaps for the first time in 17 years, the differences between JDU and the BJP are being played out publicly.
It is unfortunate if they concentrate their energies on our Chief Minister and dilute the focus of removing the UPA. The BJP will continue its determined effort in this direction. We reject all unfounded inferences against Sri Narendra Modi.
The BJP coming out strongly in Narendra Modi's defense after the Bihar chief minister, without taking names, attacked the BJP's poster boy.
ये देश हवा बनाने से नहीं चल सकता। लोगों को भ्रम हो जाता है कि जो हवा बांध देंगे उसी में लोग बंध जाएंगे। इस देश के लोग कम पढ़े लिखे हो सकते हैं, लेकिन अक्लमंद होते हैं।
Compelled by the politics, the JDU says it will no longer be business as usual if the BJP ignores its suggestions on the NDA's prime ministerial phase.
हमने तो सारी बातों को स्पष्ट किया गया, इतना स्पष्ट जो हमारा राजनीतिक प्रस्ताव था, और राजनीतिक प्रस्ताव के बाद जो हमारे नीतीश जी का जो भाषण हुआ, शरद जी का भाषण, उससे अगर कोई बात अगर समझ में लोग को नहीं आती तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
JDU wants the BJP to declare its PM candidate, and that too before the polls.
Problems have just increased by many a fold for the Bharatiya Janata Party, with Nitish Kumar hitting out on none other but Narendra Modi, and that too without naming him. The problem for the Bharatiya Janata Party seems to have increased within their own alliance partners.
For now, the Congress is refusing to be drawn into the bickering within the NDA camp.
JDU NDA कहलाई है, दोनों की सरकारें हैं बिहार के अंदर मिली जुली, एक साथ काम कर रहे हैं। उनका अंदरूनी मामला है, वो उनको क्या कहते हैं और वो उनको क्या कहते हैं। आपस में एक दूसरे के बारे में जो भी उनके ख्यालात हों, उन पे हमारा टिप्पणी करना उचित नहीं है।
But the ball is now in the BJP's court. It may have to do a delicate balancing act between projecting Modi's rise into national politics and keeping its alliance with the JDU. With Aishwarya Kapoor in Delhi, Mishti Verma, Times Now.